Minute culture, le drapeau français, the French flag. Nous sommes à la page 14, page 14 from your French book. What are we going to do today? Alors, in the first part, I'm gonna speak a little bit of the French flag. We already knew it, the different colors. I'm gonna teach about a very famous painting you can see in Musée du Louvre. And at the end, I'm gonna give you a piece of art, une œuvre d'art, a masterpiece. I'm gonna show you some of my videos I have in my Instagram. Most of the video I made them during the pandemic, the COVID pandemic, so that was getting really crazy. And most of the content you're gonna see in this Instagram is 1 minute videos about a French theme. It could be culture or gastronomy or conjugation grammatica, but just 1 minute video, not 58 seconds or 1 minute 20. You're gonna see this video. I'm gonna show it to you. It's not the craziest one, but it's still pretty crazy. Ok, c'est parti, on commence. Le drapeau français. Le drapeau tricolore bleu, blanc, rouge représente la France. Okay, I'm gonna give you more information about the French flag, especially in the Instagram video. I put this painting called La liberté guidant le peuple, the liberty leading the people, because it's really important in French history. Look at it. Alors, we can find, of course, like the French flag, hein? And this woman uh, looks like Marianne, the symbol of Republic I explained to you. I'm gonna read this in French so you can listen a bit of natural French conversation, French pronunciation, and then I'm gonna translate it in English. La liberté guidant le peuple est un tableau très célèbre peint par Eugène Delacroix en 1830. Il montre une scène de révolution à Paris. So the liberty leading the people is a famous painting, very famous painting, painted by Eugène Delacroix in 1830, 1830. It shows the scene of the revolution in Paris. Au centre du tableau, il y a une femme. In the center of the painting, there is a woman. Il y a une femme. Elle est debout et forte. She stands tall and strong. Elle tient un drapeau français dans une main et un fusil dans l'autre. She holds a French flag in one hand and a rifle in the other. Cette femme représente la liberté. Elle guide le peuple vers la victoire. This woman represents the liberty. She leads the people towards the victory. Autour d'elle, il y a des hommes et des enfants de différentes classes sociales. Ils se battent pour la liberté et la justice. Around her, there are men and children from different social classes. They are fighting for liberty and justice. Ce tableau montre un moment très important de l'histoire de la France, la Révolution de juillet 1830. This painting depicts a real, very important moment of French history. The Revolution of July 1830. Grâce à cette révolution, la France a changé de roi. Thanks to this revolution, France change of king. Aujourd'hui, today, la liberté guidant le peuple est exposée au musée du Louvre à Paris. C'est une œuvre très connue dans le monde entier. So this painting is exposed in the Louvre Museum in Paris. It is a masterpiece very famous in the entire world. Okay. Uh, Very big painting also. Better see this painting in the Musée du Louvre rather than the small Joconde with 1,000 people looking at it. It's better, this painting. There's not better. Who am I to judge Léonard de Vinci? I'm the worst painter also. The most drawer. If you ask me to draw a cat, I'm not able to draw a cat. Okay, let's see my Instagram. Alors, we're gonna watch the 1 minute video on Instagram and like listen very well because you're gonna have to answer this question in your book. Le drapeau français est créé en 1789, 1794, 1815. When was created the French flag? Le blanc représente le roi, le peuple ou la France. What is the color, the white color represent in the French flag? The king, the people, or France? And what represent blue and red? Okay? Let's have a look at the video. Alors, look, this is my Instagram. As you can see, there are different colors. Like, for example, purple citation, you will find some quotes, famous quote in French, some expression. In yellow, gastronomy, I speak about a gastronomical theme. In orange, assault, I teach you how, like the bad words in French. Phonetic in white, communication in red, seduction and love in pink, vocabulary another pink, grammatica. See, there is many kind of video. They are all in French, except maybe some video of phonetic, maybe the first one. Some part is in Spanish because it's come from my Spanish Instagram. Actually, here is my Instagram, Frances con Steph. Okay, so let's see right now the video I told about. And I hope I'm not gonna scare you. C'est parti. Culture. Le drapeau français. Bleu, blanc, rouge. Date de création 1794. Le blanc représente le roi. Vive le roi! Le bleu. Et le rouge? Les couleurs de Paris symbolisent la révolution de 1789. À mort le roi! Le peuple encercle le roi. Oh, couleur bleu ciel. Oh, la vie en rose. Allez, bon courage à toutes. Okay. Alors, if you didn't understand everything in your book, you can find the transcription of the video. It is at the reverse, so you can put your book like this. Huh? I'm gonna read it for you, translate it. Donc culture, le drapeau français, bleu, blanc, rouge, date de création 1794. Le blanc représente le roi, ok, no problem, hein. So white represents the king. Vive le roi! Le bleu et le rouge, les couleurs de Paris. Ok, so the blue and the red colors symbolize Paris. And the revolution of 1789. À mort le roi, death to the king. Le peuple encercle le roi, like the people surround the king. That's why blue, red and white. Ok, très bien, c'est terminé. You can look some other video of my Instagram. And I'm gonna actually show you some of them during the next lesson. Not everyone, but maybe two or three more. Très bien, merci beaucoup. Au revoir et à bientôt pour une prochaine leçon.